My name is Shailesh Salunke, Assistant Professor, Atharva College of Hotel Management. And today we are going to learn about some exciting napkin folding. We are going to start with a book fold now. So this is the most easiest napkin fold in the hotel industry. So the next one is the pyramid napkin fold. So now we are going to do cone fold. So the next one is the bishop's cap. Now we are going to do fan fold. Now we are going to do iron lily. So the next one is the glacier. Now we are going to do coxcomb. Coxcomb is also known as Sydney Opera. Okay, so the next one is the jacket fold. Now we are going to do a rose fold.